Africa's new dawn, from bustling cities to booming economies. Lagos, Nairobi, Johannesburg, these vibrant cities pulse with energy. They are centers of commerce and culture, reflecting Africa's dynamic spirit. Across the continent, a new era is dawning. Africa is experiencing a remarkable economic transformation. Two powerful forces are driving this change: the digital revolution and the rise of intra-African trade. For decades, Africa faced numerous challenges, from poverty and conflict to limited infrastructure. Today, a new narrative is being written. African nations are embracing innovation and collaboration. This shift is creating unprecedented opportunities for growth and prosperity. Africa is home to a young and growing population. This, combined with its vast natural resources, makes it a continent with immense economic potential. As we delve deeper, we'll explore how the digital and trade revolutions are unlocking this potential, propelling Africa towards a brighter future. Breaking barriers, the African Continental Free Trade Agreement. Imagine a single market stretching across the African continent where goods and services flow freely. This is the vision of the African Continental Free Trade Agreement, or AfCFTA. Launched in 2018, AfCFTA aims to create the world's largest free trade area by connecting 1.3 billion people across 54 African countries.
The agreement is a game changer for Africa. By reducing tariffs and simplifying trade processes, AfCFTA will boost intra-African trade significantly. This will empower African businesses, creating jobs and boosting economic growth. The potential impact is enormous. The United Nations Economic Commission for Africa estimates that AfCFTA could increase intra-African trade by over 50%. This would represent a massive injection of capital into African economies.
AfCFTA is not just about economics, it is about fostering unity and cooperation across the continent. By breaking down trade barriers, it is building a stronger and more integrated Africa. The digital surge connecting Africa to the world. Across Africa, mobile phones are ubiquitous, even in remote areas. This rapid adoption of mobile technology has been a catalyst for digital innovation. From mobile money to e-commerce, Africa is experiencing a digital surge that is transforming its economic landscape.
The growth of digital infrastructure, particularly in mobile broadband, has been remarkable. This has enabled the rise of innovative startups and tech hubs across the continent. These hubs are incubators for creativity, fostering a new generation of tech entrepreneurs. One of the most significant impacts of the digital revolution has been the rise of fintech. Africa has become a global leader in mobile money, with services like M-Pesa in Kenya revolutionizing financial inclusion. Millions of people who were previously excluded from the formal banking system now have access to financial services through their mobile phones.
The digital revolution is not limited to fintech. E-commerce platforms are also flourishing, connecting businesses to consumers across the continent. This is creating new markets and opportunities for African entrepreneurs. Fintech to the forefront, banking on innovation. The story of Africa's digital transformation is perhaps best exemplified by the rise of fintech. In a continent where traditional banking infrastructure is often limited, mobile money has emerged as a game changer. Take, for instance, the remarkable success of M-Pesa in Kenya.
Launched in 2007, M-Pesa allows users to send and receive money pay bills and even access microloans using their mobile phones. Its impact has been profound, bringing financial inclusion to millions who were previously excluded from the formal banking sector. Today, there are more mobile money accounts than bank accounts in sub-Saharan Africa. The success of M-Pesa has inspired a wave of fintech innovation across the continent. From digital payment platforms to online lending platforms, African entrepreneurs are leveraging technology to address the unique challenges and opportunities of the continent.
This surge in fintech is not just transforming finance, it is empowering individuals, driving economic growth, and demonstrating the power of innovation to create a more inclusive and prosperous future for Africa.